Hello, my name is Kent Jamer Gingito and I am 22 years old. I'm from Purok 5 Mahayahay, Sibagat, Agusan del Sur. I am thrilled to submit my multi-strata cropping system that increased soil fertility and crop yield while reducing erosion. I also had the opportunity to facilitate a series of application for the position of instructor in the Bachelor of Science in Agroforestry program. I am deeply passionate about agroforestry and have dedicated my academic and field experiences to mastering systems that promote both ecologically and sustainability and community development. My educational journey, combined with hands-on exposure to agroforestry system-related courses, has shaped my expertise in integrated land use practices, soil conservation, and climate-resilient agriculture. I have assisted in teaching practicums, helped develop course materials, and participated in agroforestry extension programs that directly engage with farming communities. One of my most impactful experiences was serving as a field assistant in a university-led agroforestry model farm project. There I helped design and implement workshops for local farmers and students on sustainable agroforestry practices. These experiences have not only enhanced my technical competence but also strengthened my communication and leadership skills in an academic setting. I believe that education is a powerful tool for environmental and social transformation. As an aspiring instructor, I am committed to inspiring students by connecting theory with practice, preparing them to face the real-world challenges of agroforestry with innovation and confidence. I am excited about the opportunity to contribute to Caraga State University's mission of academic excellence and sustainability. Thank you for considering my application. Thank you.